Okay, I am starting from very beginning, so don't worry. Munesh, all things are okay, or is there any sound problem or anything else?
Okay,
Okay, so
you can start now.
okay, okay.
Uh,
Font.
you can increase font size.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am just increasing. I think this pop-up window will be visible. So if
Yes,
you
yes.
want to present somewhere else or want to increase your font size, just click on that configure text studio, and this is a general setup. Here increase font size. I am just putting it 16, and also increase font size of editor. Here it is 10. Put it on 15, 16. Okay. Now click on OK. This thing will be increased. Okay. For creating Beamer, those who learned about how to write text or how to write a content in latex start in similar way. Before it I have done regarding how to start in quick start. Just click on quick start, select here Beamer. Before it I have done on article, report, book. Okay, in similar way just click on Beamer and choose font size, paper size. For encoding, input encoding, you have to use UTF-8 and font encoding T1. Okay, rest things will be in similar manner. Okay, here is author, first author is this, second author is this, and third author is this. In similar way you may use your paper title. Suppose I am writing something something, you may type your paper title. If you want to quick start Beamer, leave it, just click on quick Beamer presentation. This will be more helpful than that previous one. This is better for those who are those who want to write uh, article, report, paper, something. May start from here. Also you may write from here your Beamer, but this option is far better than this. Okay, so just I am starting. Click on quick Beamer presentation. I think screen is visible, Munesh, clearly.
Yeah, yeah, clearly visible.
And the sound is clear or still having problem?
No, no, clear.
Okay.
You can
So
continue.
just one thing I want to show you. Here theme structure is default. Okay. Before starting, I want to show my previous presentation or one of the presentation how it looks. Close here. This is my presentation already I have made in latex. Just showing the outlook how looks presentation in latex. Okay. Sorry. Beamer. Suppose before it this file is opened. Okay, so if you want to show this file, after clicking on it, click on this icon. Okay, then corresponding PDF will be shown here. Okay, I am just showing a outlook of Beamer presentation in latex. Okay, this presentation is made on latex platform. Okay, here will be your title of paper, whatever you want to write. This is author name. Suppose you are a MSc student or PhD or faculty, then you may write your author here, and your designation will be here. You may leave your designation according to your presentation. Here is institutional address. Here is date. You may write your date. And here is address where you want to this presentation to print. Means suppose I am presenting in institute. Suppose I am presenting my synopsis report. So you may write your something synopsis report or PhD falana tikana whatever you want to write. Okay, this presentation is made for international conference. Something happened at Odisha, in Odisha. This is outline. Okay, one of the best feature of this latex is you do not have to write in manual order. Means this thing is appear automatically here. Okay, for this you have to use a particular command. If you used to write your presentation on Word, means on Microsoft Office, then you have to write these things manual. Okay, but if you use latex, then these things comes automatically by putting a simple short command. Okay, and also you know that what your outlines of your programs. Okay, means your presentation. This is your outlines, and this is starting from here. An introduction means first is introduction, then after I will use the preliminary. This is actually for in a conference. So according to that, suppose you are presenting suppose you are teaching programming, okay, or suppose you are going to present about programming, then you start from introduction, and just then after you start your programming. This is according to my paper. Okay, this is mathematical content, how I to write in this is example of matrix, and this is function. This is your reference. This is first equation, second equation, third equation. This is something matrix according to that. And this thing means just I am not showing you PPT how it looks. Just what is its structure. Suppose you want to write these things in Word, means in PowerPoint presentation, then you have to face a lot of difficulty. But by putting a simple command and short command, you will write in very comfortable way in Beamer. Okay. However large your data will be, you may put here by using a command. There is a command resize box. Okay, that will automatically fit your data in Beamer. This is one of the best feature is the equal. Here is equal symbol and here is equal. Just these are aligned in pattern. Means this is not here and there. Okay. For this you have also used a particular simple command. By putting that command, you will align it left or right as you want. Okay. This is block structure. In LaTeX, block will appear like this, making a light shadow. Okay. Here is referencing. Look here. This is I call matrix 9 here. Just click on it and it will reflect to matrix 9. Okay. So in similar way, this is another example of blocking. This is simple context and this is example. For this, you do not have to write anything. Just use example command. It will automatically appear here. Okay. And this is table. I just put it a large table, but using resize box command, I made in compactable in this slide. Okay. And this is the rest. This is our reference. Our reference will appear in your LaTeX presentation. If you want to write these things in your PowerPoint presentation, then you have to write all things manually. But for LaTeX, no need to write. These automatically come here, as we used to discuss in our previous lectures in LaTeX. Okay. So let's start now. And if you want to change these things, no need to write manually. Just change a particular command. All things will be automatically changed. I will show it later. Now coming to LaTeX, Beamer making. Okay. So as I told you, click on wizard, go on quick Beamer presentation. Then after choose font size 11, 12, whatever you want according to. Suppose I am choosing 11. As I earlier told, use encoding UTF-8. I am just want asking, so I just author. Okay, I am writing. Second author. Okay. Title name. Title name suppose okay. This is language package you may use. Suppose I am using English. You may skip these things. Okay, I am using English language, and just click tick this box. MS package and graphics package. In graphics you may do a lot of design. And just one thing I want to show. This is the structure of this default theme. Suppose you want to choose another theme. Okay, just click on an arrow. Automatically these things change. Okay, you do not need to change manually. Suppose you want to these things are not like you want, then just change other. Click on this thing. This thing automatically change. So you may change as you want. And another way, suppose you click on these things. Okay, rest of the themes command will appear with comment box. Okay, you may change them later. Okay, this is subtitle of presentation. Just I am clicking to after initiality, click on run button. A corresponding PDF file will be appear. Wait a moment. Munesh, it is clearly visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Clearly visible.
Okay. So this is my default presentation. Here is front page, means a title page of presentation, and then after there will be content page, that is outline of presentation, and followed by rest of description. Okay. Suppose you want to show a particular date, okay, then just uncommenting and write I am saying suppose okay, now it will show this particular date. This thing automatically change. Look here. So you may change a date according to yourself. Okay, if you want to use current date, just percent or leave it blank. It will automatically use your current date. Okay, this is today's date. Okay, suppose you want to put your subtitle of your presentation. I am writing learning. Okay. The best way to learn is just write a single thing and then after run. Okay, and observe it where the content will be changed. Okay, here look here. After a title there is a subtitle. Okay, if you want to put your logo of institution, most of those who are currently doing research or in PG final year, those who have to submit their research, they have to insert a logo in between, either here either here. Okay, you may use here your logo. For inserting, click here and just insert on figure. Where is here? Okay. Sorry. Figured and insert graphic. Okay. There is logo. Suppose I am using this logo. Okay. Okay, there is error. Okay, for logo, actually this command is for inserting figures. Okay, just change it. Each command include graphics. Include graphics. My file name is Shivj. I am using just Shivj. Include this is Shivj, and just put a scale here. You may put, suppose I am using suppose I want to use a scale equal to point something 25. Okay. There is Shivj not found. Okay, maybe there is error. I have to check where this file is, in this folder or not. Okay, there may be problem, so I will test these things later. Okay, suppose you are getting this error, check here what type of error will appear. Here it is writing that Shivj is not found, means this file is missing. Okay, then I have to choose either some other. Wait, I am checking. Okay, this is case sensitive, so maybe create problems. Okay, I will check these things later. First I'll do comment here. Okay, you may use your institute name as, suppose that I am using any institute okay, I have used this university name. Then after writing, click on run. Okay, just write a single content text or content and check whether it appears. Check here, these things will appear. Suppose you want to use a short form of this institute. Okay, suppose anyone suppose its short form is UOF. Okay, in other theme this will appear in short form after your name. Okay, since this is default, means a simple theme, so these things will not appear here. I will change a theme content, it will then show. Okay, and there is set beamer transparent. You may uncomment here to check it, its structure, how it looks like. Wait, I am checking. Okay, since this is simple, so you can't find anything. Okay, after writing some content I will show you. Okay, now as I told you, you have to use uh, you have to write anything in between end document and begin document and end document. For latex you have to use begin frame and end frame command. Here is for first slide you use make title. Okay, then after you may use for outline. Okay, I will discuss outline later. First write some content. For content just use suppose I may section. Okay, start from section. This section is introduction. Introduction. Okay, second section take section. Sorry, section. This section is dealing with mathematics. Mathematics. Okay. Next section I am taking. Next section is figure. Okay. And next section is reference. Section is okay. Something just roughly typing. Okay. This is nothing else, just roughly typing to show you something. This is the best way to learn. First type randomly, then if all things are good, then start in proper writing. Oh sorry, I have not saved this file. Just creating a file, first you have to save your file, so that if your window will shut down or your computer will shut down, then your file will be not lost. Okay, here the showing untitled means this beamer is not saved. Okay, first you have to save. For save, click Ctrl plus S. A window like this will appear. Okay, I am writing beamer, and just click on save. Now this file will be saved. Now click on compile and run. Okay, it is running now. Okay, look here, nothing is appeared. Okay, and also there is no any structure. It is looking like too dull. Okay, now we make it more comfortable and more interesting. Okay, just start from here. It's asking about frame title. Okay, in frame title I am using introduction. Just you copy paste and start writing what this section deals with introduction. Okay, so now compile and run. So now this frame will be complete. Okay, here we okay, this is introduction. Frame title means this is a one page is complete one blog. One page is one frame. Okay, and here frame title means this title. Okay, and for content means outline, we have to use this section command. Okay, here nothing will appear. For showing your title or outline, after writing something some content I will show you. Suppose in these things I will write it. Okay, I have written here something. If you want to if you write directly in this thing, that it will appear in a dull manner. Okay, so for writing in effective way, just use begin command with frame. Okay, begin frame. Now okay, if you want to put your frame title, just write here frame. Okay, use frame title command. Frame title. I am using mathematics, something whatever you want to write. Okay. Cryptography. Okay. Now then after I am writing some content, and just copy paste this thing to show you. I do not want to write more things, so I am just copying paste. Okay, now see. Look here, this is first page. To show change, just I am writing 1 2 3 so that you can view change. Okay. Actually this is introduction frame, means this is introduction page. Next one is cryptography 1 frame. Next one is cryptography 2, next one is cryptography 3. Okay, means here there are 3 phases for sorry, I am clicking on look here, this is title page, this is your introduction page, this is your whatever you using content, this is content 1 2 3, and according to you may write here. Now we may work on designing it. Okay, suppose I am starting now. For outline, just insert frame here, click on begin frame. Okay, and use table of content which we used in our latex program. Okay, table of content, bus, that is sufficient. Now your frames, all section will appear here in title page. Look here, this is your outline. Okay, nothing is on above frame title is nothing showing. Okay, so if you want to show here frame title, just use as a command we have discussed, frame title. Okay, you have to use these things for your frame title, but every time writing a frame title is a little bit tedious. Okay, so for using frame title you may use another command, that is where I written, just use curly braces and write your table of frame title. You do not need to write a separate command for writing your frame title. You may directly use curly braces and write your frame title of lines of okay. Now click and look how it is here. Okay, look here, automatically these things appear. Okay, I have not written in these things in manually, this will automatically appear. So you may create outline of your presentation just by using table of content figure. Now just changing a little bit of themes structure, where we used default. You may use your some other themes structure, like you may use, suppose I am using Madrid. Okay, MADRID. Look here how it changed all the page structure. That it may also show error, I don't know. Look here, things automatically changed. Okay, just showing. Okay. Look here, just I have written, this is title of our presentation, this is subtitle, this is author name, this is institute name, and this is today's date. Okay, sorry, this is outline of presentation. This is more better than default theme. In similar way, you may use different themes title, themes command. Just you have to put a little command and all things will be automatically changed. Look here, this is, there is first author, second author, and short form of institute name, which was not shown earlier. Okay, this is title of presentation. Okay, and this is today's date, and this is number of slide, means currently we are at second page and total page are number of 6. Okay, look here, this is our introduction page, and this is first, second, third, something I have written here. Okay, now comes to the, you may also use some other command, like suppose I am using Warsaw. I don't know it work or not. Okay, if you do not want to change it, just hide them. You may use letter according to your work. For hiding, use % command. Okay, I now use one thing. You have maybe confusion how you have to remember these things, means which command is for which theme. Okay, just check how change this. Okay, I am showing how Warsaw is different from Madrid. Okay, look here. First page means title page is same as previously. Second, from second onward, here inside your papers, means this thing outline just showing above the title of your frame. Okay, then after on which page you are currently is highlighted, and rest one will be just a small font size is hidden, just this is introduction section is highlighted, and the rest one is you may say in hidden in somewhere, means you may observe that you are on which slide. Okay, just I am at second section, it will showing in second, and you may means you may observe your current progression. If there is subsection, this will be appear here. Okay, actually I have not used any subsection, though there is no, I will show you how it change. So you may change your Beamer theme according to you. For remembering them, you may use which themes are there. Just click on Beamer and check here. These things are I have used. There are a lot of. Currently, I am using Warsaw, and before it I have used Madrid. You may also use according to your. Suppose I want to ANN and another. Okay, wait. Suppose I want to. Since it is case sensitive, so there may be error. Okay, look here. There is error Beamer theme unarbar .sty not found. It means either I have used a wrong command, or I have used this, means this file, this class is not here. So if you have used this command correctly, then for updating your mic text or your latex, just run this program in presence of internet connection. Okay, so here all things are good, means I have used a wrong command. So how we will verify that this command is wrong or not? Just go in wizard, and as I earlier show, click here and check what is spelling. Okay, look here, I have used a wrong command. Here is ANNARBOR. Look here, a structure of whole presentation automatically change by using the that particular command. Okay, so you may create your presentation, even though you may also change the colors. For that you have to use a particular command. There are a lot of command in latex, just I am showing basics of this Beamer. Okay, this is outline. Look here, we are currently here, this is outline of, and this thing is appeared using a section command. Okay, so here till here you have learned about using themes structure. Now I am coming just showing some more features in the reference command. Okay, section reference Beamer, and suppose I am using subsection command. Okay, subsection command. Subsection. Sorry. You may use your short title. If you to write in a capital bracket something, this is short title of this title. Okay, as I used EOH for representing institute name. Okay, view major acknowledgement. Okay, I have written here, and use a begin frame command. Okay, okay, suppose I am writing thanks. Thank you for participating. Okay. Rest command is same as you have used in your latex. Okay, for Beamer just you have to set up a frame title, frame and section. That is sufficient for creating a presentation in look here. This is main title, and this is main frame, and this is subframe. Means for this we have used section, and for this we have used subsection. Okay. This is the difference in subsection and section when you are using presentation. Okay. Wait, one thing I also want. Okay, now I have to show Beamer. Sorry, reference. For reference, just use citation and use the same command you have used in your text. Look here. For creating Bible file, we have used this section. Okay, means this is our Bible reference file. Okay, means what file or what document we have used. Similar same command will work in there. Okay, I am copy and pasting here. Look here. No need to change anything, just you have to use your begin frame, end frame, and a section you have already used. One thing is there, block. I will also show you block. Just frame. Okay. I also told you may use instead of writing frame title in frame, you may, sorry. Okay, this is Google file. Looking here, just I have shown two different structure, a style of writing frame title, and I am showing that this is a reference.
Kalika?
Yes.
Your screen is not running. It is stuck. Thank you for participating. नहीं अटक गई है ये.
Wait. Okay. Actually, I am writing in text, so PDF will be not changed.
No.
Now I have changed. Something is showing here. I am showing Text Studio.
Screen is not running.
Okay, wait, I am just stopping and again printing.
Okay.
Does it showing or still having same problem?
Yeah, same problem.
Wait, I am stopping here. Okay, now it is stopped, and again I started presentation. Wait, it will work. Now check again. Is it working or still having same problem?
Yeah, now it is working.
Okay. So this is a structure. Here I have used first page is almost same. From second page, this is section, and this is a subsection. Okay. So subsection will appear under section. It also shows in your outline. Okay. Suppose I am showing this. So the current subsection page will appear here. Before in mathematics I have not used any subsection, so nothing is showing here. But in reference I have used subsection as a acknowledgement. Okay, so that thing is appeared here. Okay, here is a footer. For footnote I have used \footnote command, and if you use, this will appear like this, okay, and in footnote a description will appear. Okay, now one important thing is there, block. For block you have to use a block in similar way as we are using here frame, you have to use block. Just I am showing here after introduction. Okay, in introduction section I am writing using block with this is just use begin. Okay, begin with block. If you want to write block title, you may use block title is the definition. Okay, also write something, whatever you want to write, just I am saying. Okay, now check. You have, if those who have attended our previous session, those person have to just change a little bit command. Just they have to use a begin frame, end frame, and a theme structure. And look here, I have used here block command, and this block will appear here. Okay, you may write here something whatever you want to write. Suppose I want to use I don't know it will work or not, example command. Okay, for example command we have to use begin example. Okay, this is I am writing this.
Hello sir, screen not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Huh. No page.
Okay.
No, screen is visual. You can pin Kalika
Okay, I think there is
because someone else is present.
okay, now my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, so here for showing example I have used begin with example environment, and here right I have written some text, and after running it will appear below these blocks. Okay, look here, automatically color change. For simple block it is blue, and for a particular means I am using here example, so for example it appears in green color. In similar way a lot of commands are there. This is just a basic setups for Beamer. You may use according to your work. Okay, maybe theorem command also work, just checking. Okay, okay, just checking. For using theorem, theorem, lemma, corollary, you may use in similar manner. Okay, just checking, maybe running. Okay, look here, all these things are different. Anyway, anyone may can easily verify these things. Also, there is command of pause. Okay, you may hold these things. For holding, you have to use pause button. Okay, just wait and watch. Okay. This is most effective, and after example, oh sorry, I used it as in, so you can't say you can't visualize it. For visualizing I have to use it here. Wait, just look how it looks like. Maybe you have seen these things somewhere in presentation, during presentation. Look here, there is a maybe a little bit it is visible, slightly visible, that something is there. Okay, suppose you are presenting somewhere, after you do not want to show all your contents there. Okay, you may use a pause button and show according to your work. Okay. Suppose I am want to show a example after this definition. Just click next. Automatically second definition will example will appear. Suppose I want to show a theorem next to that. Okay, for that just click next. Next will automatically appear. For this I have used only a pause button, nothing else. Okay, so you may work according to your content, whatever you want to write. Here I have discussed important things, that is document class is Beamer. Okay, and these things already we have discussed. For Beamer package we have used Warsaw, Madrid, Anarbar. You may use any of them. Here is a list of those things. Here are a lot of things. You may check one by putting, just use a simple write a simple Beamer and put one by one command, and look what is changing in that corresponding Beamer. Okay, this thing is important. And then after, in similar manner we have used for author, title, subtitle. Okay, for institute, this is our institute name. Okay, this is institute name, and this is corresponding short form of this institute name. Okay, for this is for date, this is for subject. So, according to your subject you may just uncomment, and this is terrain. Also there is a mini circle command. I am just checking it is working or not. Mini, okay, it is showing error. Maybe there is something error. It is not like that. There is command mini. Okay, for that we have actually it is, I think so, outer thing, it is mini frames. Sorry. That if there is no spelling mistakes, then it will run. Otherwise, okay. PDF authorized. Okay, there are also a lot of things are there. Means all things are not comfortable with all themes. Okay, maybe the command, this command will work with some other theme. I am using Warsaw, so maybe it will not work. It will work where okay, there is error. Beamer mini frames. Okay, it is. Okay, so it is not working with particular theme. You may check with other theme. Okay, and for inserting graph or figure you may use in similar manner as we have used in our previous discussion. For using a graph, just use insert graphic as we used in our latex, and then click on any figure which you want to insert. Suppose I want to insert this figure. Okay, just click on OK. It will automatically. For centering the figure you have to use command centering, or there is also a command named start with begin, and use command center. Okay, this is a center. Okay, either you have to use this command, okay, for centering, or directly use centering. Okay, since here there is only one figure, so we do not need to use this begin command. Okay, we may directly work with this centering command. Okay, just check what happening. You may put here caption as we have already discussed. Wait and watch. Look here. I think here page number 9. Okay, look here, this figure is appeared here. Okay, you may, I think this figure is clearly visible. Okay, so in this manner you may insert figure in your presentation also. Okay, you may also use multiple figures if you want to show. This is a structure. Suppose you want to write a matrix. I do not want to write. I just copy and paste here. From here I am taking a matrix. This is a structure of matrix I have taken here. Okay, just copy and showing how in similar manner as you use in your text. same thing will be applied here. Only you have to use document class and begin frame, end frame according to your work. Suppose I am showing here matrix. I am writing 3 times in all these matrix. Okay, look here how it looks like in this figure. Actually, one thing I want to show here, that how to use begin. Okay, actually matrix is math mode, so you have to use dollar command in between. Here I have not used dollar command, so it is showing error. So to remove error, we have to use dollar command before and after the math content. Okay. For next line, I am using double backslash. I wait. Oh, okay. You have to also understand what is meaning of errors. Okay, here there is no line here to end frame. Okay, means I have used somewhere new command, new line command, just starting the frame. This is the meaning of this command. Okay, so maybe begin. Maybe this is the command, because all figure also sends to next command, next line. Sorry. Or misplaced alignment of type character in frame. So you have to observe this type of command. Begin. Sorry, there is a mistake. Okay, because command I start with backslash and I have written here. Maybe by mistake I have. I think it is there. Okay, look here. I have inserted 3 matrix, but here is only 2 matrix. Suppose I want to create a vertical space here. It is V space. Okay, V space of 2 centimeter. Okay, then your rest of content will be hidden. Means the rest of content will be on the same page but on a larger scale. Okay, means you cannot look here. This matrix is you may say hidden in somewhere. So to show that content, you have to use there is a command theme beamer split like that. I have to check. Here you have to use a split. Okay, and there is command I have to check. A split the theme. Wait. Suppose you got stuck like me, then you have to just Google it how to split the frame. Okay, just take help of Google. I forget the command. Right, split frame in beamer. Okay, now look. Actually, I want to show you how to search this thing. There is a split frame. How to split a frame or beamer into two parts. Even though it is it also work for multi frame. I am saying this is a text stack, overlap, and also share latex. These are best way for your taking help for latex related problem. Okay, I think here is not actually I have forgotten the command. I have used in my wait. Okay, actually there is a split command. I have a little bit confusion. Wait a moment, just I am checking for a splitting command. Okay, there is package Beamer theme split package. Okay, and also the I think there is something mistake. So don't worry, today I will solve it. There is something command. Actually, I forgot again. See from Google. This is package and its particular command is Beamer split. Just check on Beamer split on overlay. Okay, this is the best way for learning all the things related to your latex. I have also discussed. You may also watch here. There is video related to presentation. Okay. I feel to multiple text. So leave them. You may check here. All things are there. After using that command, you will be able to split the this means where the rest of content is hidden comes means appears on the next page. Okay, actually I forget that particular command. So this is I don't know here integer or not. This is package for splitting and particular command actually I forget. Okay. Okay, leave. So this is the basic outlines of, and one thing left here is referencing. Okay, for referencing in similar manner as I discussed earlier, just these things should be at the end. Subsection figure, sorry, I written here, this is the begin. Okay, I am just copy pasting here at the end for showing you reference. Just use your cite command. Okay, I am using cite. This suppose this is the one paper, and you may also use multiple citation using comma. After using comma, the keyword will appear. Okay, suppose I am using it, two citation along with. You may also use any number of citations. Just look. This will appear at the end in the reference section. Okay. Look, after running, it will appear in a separate file. Still running. Wait for a moment. Okay. Look here. Automatically all reference is appeared here. I have not written manual. Okay, so if you want to write your reference, if you want to write this reference in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, then you have to write it manually. But if you want to write in LaTeX, then you have to just cite these papers in your presentation, or as you used to write in your LaTeX file, LaTeX text maker. These things automatically appear at the end. Also there is a different structure. Suppose I am using ACM structure, so this reference will automatically arrange in reference ACM order. Okay, running. Okay, so you may change according to your preference or according to your work. In similar manner, all things will be same. Only you have to use class and block and last one is frame. That is sufficient. Okay, this is the basic requirement for setup of Beamer in Beamer means presentation in LaTeX. Okay, now come to the question section. If anyone have any doubt, may ask here. Okay, Munesh, is there any doubt or any problem?
नो आई थिंक आज का सेशन सबको समझ आया है बहुत अच्छे से, सो देयर आर नो क्यूरीज, बट देयर आर सम क्यूरीज रिगार्डिंग शेयरिंग द पीपीटी.
कौन सा जो आज का क्लास हुआ?
हाँ,
ओके, पीपीटी और इसका टेक्स्ट करस्पॉन्डिंग टेक्स्ट फाइल मैं शेयर कर दूंगा. एनीथिंग एल्स?
एक क्वेश्चन था स्टार्टिंग में, सर कैन यू प्लीज सेंड द लिंक ऑफ ऑल साइट्स और प्लीज एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू अप टू डेट ऑल.
मीन्स अप टू डेट ऑल क्या चाहिए? अप टू डेट मैं समझूँ.
She has not mentioned.
देखो,
This is question from Megha Gaur.
ओके, आपको किसी भी टाइप का कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए, आपको सिंपली गूगल में ओवरलिप पे आपको हर ओवरलिप खोलना है. इस पे मैंने लेटेक्स का ही बताया था कि अब जो मैंने जितना सारा कमांड आज टेक्स्ट स्टूडियो पे करवाया सारा आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं लॉगिन करके या रजिस्टर करके. यहाँ पे हेल्प के अंदर आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है, इसमें सारे कंटेंट मिल जाएंगे. या फिर आप सिंपली गूगल पे लिखेंगे इसमें जो भी चाहिए, जैसे आपको जो भी पैकेज चाहिए, जैसे मैं अभी स्प्लिट वाला बोल रहा था, स्प्लिट बीमर. ओके, इसीलिए देखिए यहाँ पे सब कुछ सब कुछ आपका आ जाएगा. कोई भी ऐसा कंटेंट नहीं है जो नहीं है, सारा कंटेंट यहाँ पे है. तो आपको जिस टाइप का भी हेल्प चाहिए, इवन तो टेम्पलेट में मिल जाएगा, कौन सा कहाँ कमांड वर्क करता है सब मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो इसको लिए आपको वरी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे देखिए लॉट ऑफ कमांड है. तो जैसे स्प्लिट, फर्स्ट मार्क, सेकंड मार्क, समथिंग समथिंग जो भी है. तो यहाँ पे बीमर के लिए आपको एक होगा जो अभी मैं टेक्स्ट स्टाइल है, टेक्स्ट फॉन्ट है, वाट एवर यू वांट टू यूज यू मे चेक हियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन Manish.
Salish Parsa is asking, how can we change bullets?
Bullets मतलब text bullet. For text bullet, there are a lot of options. You may use itemize with begin, or you may use enumerate, or you may use also text bullet. Just showing a particular command. Look here, I am using text bullet. Okay. Okay, just after so in introduction. Okay, after block I am showing. You may use also text bullet. Text. This is also one of the particular example of showing text bullet, or you may use itemize. Okay, itemize. Yeah, this item will create a text bullet. Okay, just I am showing here. Sorry. After running it will look. Wait for a minute. Look here, this square black square is a text bullet command, and these two things are corresponding to this item. You may also use enumerate, but that will give you a ordered list, means starting from 1 2 3 like that. Okay, next one is
Vijesh VV is asking how to save the article prepared in LaTeX as PDF file and how to save the prepared Beamer for presentation.
you do not need to save. All things automatically when you click on run button, means when you click on this compile and run button, this PDF is automatically saved in your corresponding PDF LaTeX folder. Suppose I am working in this folder. Okay, this folder's location is this something 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 B. Okay, in this folder you will get check here, just sorting by LaTeX. This is our today's PDF. Okay, wait a moment. Look here, this is today's PDF up to last compiled and run. Okay, So you do not have to save it separately. It automatically appear here. There are a lot of files here. You have to this is PDF and this is corresponding text file. In previous one is our this PDF and corresponding this text file. Okay. If you use you will make a bib file, so that will be appear here. This is the beamers.bbl file. Okay. In this your all bibliography will be saved. Okay. Ninesh?
I think how to save the art. How to download the software. We have given the link in website, right?
कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर?
I think बारे में कर रहे होंगे.
ओके, लेटेक्स के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर आप सिंपली गूगल में इसके अगर आप टेक्स्ट स्टूडियो यूज करना चाहते हैं तो टेक्स्ट स्टूडियो प्लस में माइक टेक्स्ट यूज करना होगा, या फिर आप ऑनलाइन ओवरलिप पे यहाँ से डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. मैंने इसका पहले बता दिया था. इसके लिए मैंने एक वीडियो भी सेपरेटली बनाया था, आप उसकी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. उसमें सारा कुछ मैंने डिस्कस किया हुआ है, तो आई थिंक सेपरेटली डिस्कस करने की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है. ओके.
And some query is how to download link not working for mic text.
माइक टेक्स्ट, आपको माइक टेक्स्ट सिंपली अपडेट करना होगा. आप माइक टेक्स्ट को अपडेट कर लेंगे वो वर्क करने लगेगा. मैंने उसने शायद शो किया था. मेरा स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना मनीष?
Yes, Vijay.
ओके. तो आपको माइक टेक्स्ट को एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ओपन करना है. डायरेक्टली इंटरनेट से कनेक्टेड है तो ये इंटरनेट का रिजल्ट दिखा रहा है. माइक टेक्स्ट ओके. इसको एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर रन करना है. इसके बाद इसको अपडेट कर देना. अपडेट के बाद इसको रिफ्रेश कर देना है. सारा जो भी मिसिंग फाइल है, मिसिंग पैकेज है, सब अपीयर्ड हो जाएगा. ओके. और तब तक कोई और क्वेश्चन?
No, there are no any questions.
माइक टेक्स्ट कंसोल इस टाइप से शो होगा आपको. जस्ट आप अपने इसमें मेरे हिसाब से आप दोनों में रन कर देना, ताकि आपका दो अगर एक से मीन्स मल्टीपल आप यूजर सिस्टम यूज करते हैं तो उस पर अपीयर हो जाएगा. आपको फिर चेक फॉर अपडेट कर देना है. इसके बाद आपको टास्क में जाके यहाँ पे ए बटन अपीयर हो जाएगा जो अभी हिडन है. तो आपको फर्स्ट रिफ्रेश फाइल डाटा नेम करना है, डाटाबेस. इसके बाद फॉन्ट मैप्स को रिफ्रेश करना है. इसके बाद जो पैकेज है उनको रिफ्रेश करना है. इसका जो भी एरर्स होंगे वो सब स्मूथली हट जाएंगे. ओके. जो मिसिंग पैकेज होगा सारा अपीयर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. ओके मुनेश, तो आज का यहीं पे किया जाए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. और कोई एक है जो आप ईमेल पूछ रहे हैं फॉर फर्दर क्वेरी.
ओके. मेल पे तो क्या आप क्यूरी से रिलेटेड आप हमारे जो टेलीग्राम अकाउंट है आप वहाँ पे पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें मैं अकेला ही नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जुड़े हुए हैं. तो जिनको लगेगा कि इसको किस टाइप से सोल्व करते हैं तो वहाँ रिप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके मुनेश, तो आज का सेशन यहीं पे एंड करते हैं.
कलिका,
यस. हेलो.
तुम्हारी आवाज कट गई थी. हेलो.
हाँ. एनीथिंग एल्स?
No. Sorry, he's asking about Telegram link.
ओके. टेलीग्राम लिंक सिंपली टेलीग्राम पे पीकाल का मैथमेटिक्स लिख के सर्च करना, वहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ओके. मुनेश.
Okay, so I think now we can stop.
ओके. तो आज का सेशन यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. जो भी हो आप अपना काइंडली
Yes.
फीडबैक ऑनेस्टली फिल कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि ये हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा ये स्टार्टेड है, हमारा ये इनिशिएटिव है। इसमें किसी इंस्टीट्यूट और किसी का फाइनेंशियल और किसी टाइप का कोई सपोर्ट नहीं है। सो अगर स्मूथली चलता रहा, अभी हमारे पास बहुत सारी क्यूरीज आए हैं, तो हमने एक प्लान किया कि मंथ के एंड में जो भी सारे क्यूरीज होंगे आप हमें मेल या टेलीग्राम पे कर देंगे। अगर हमारे पास मोर देन 30 पार्टिसिपेंट हुए तो हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग एक प्रोग्राम रख लेंगे उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए। जो भी जिस टाइप का भी आपके लेटेक्स में प्रॉब्लम होगा आप वर्क करें, उस पर हम आगे डिस्कस कर लेंगे, जिस टाइप का भी जो भी दिक्कत है। ओके, थैंक यू मनीष।
Oh, thank you. And thank you for all participants also. So I think now you can leave.
मनीष 1 मिनट, एक दो का मेरे पास पर्सनल भी मैसेज आया है, तो किसी का भी कोई क्यूरीज है तो अभी पूछ सकता है, मैं उसको क्विकली शो कर सकता हूँ।
So is there any queries for anyone? You can.
प्रीवियस सेशन से रिलेटेड हमारा जैसे बहुत सारे क्यूरीज है, तो सारा तो कवर नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन कुछ एक दो पार्टिकुलर है तो कर सकते हैं। प्लीज सेंड ऑल वीडियोज। ओके, वीडियोज एक्चुअली आज के सेशन का और इससे पहले के सेशन का आज का एक्चुअली इसमें साउंड प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है।